What's up, family? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and in today's video I am showing you all how I go ahead and just trim my ends and basically like my whole routine whenever I plan on giving myself a good trim. I trim my hair maybe about 3 to 4 times a year, so I don't usually get it professionally done because I can do it myself. But before I go ahead and get started, I need for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become part of the family. Everyone here is a family because I'm pretty sure you all are already saying it with me at this point. We are all a family because all the support that I receive constantly on a daily basis on my channel, on my Instagram, all my social media sites, it really feels like a family supporting a family. So I want you to go ahead and hit that button down below so you too can become part of the family. Don't be a stranger. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Come on, like we can do this together. So let's go ahead and get started and let me stop talking because I can talk your head off. So to trim my hair, I ran to Ulta because I lost my scissors that I usually use, and I got this little kit, and it has scissors, a comb, 2 little hair clamps, and also I think that's it. So yeah, scissor, comb, 2 little hair clamps. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Girl, it comes with a cape. Ooh. Y'all, you know I'm gonna be extra, right? I pay for this. We about to use this cape as well. Girl, why go to the salon? I have the entire shebang right here. I feel so professional. I got the cape. Alright, so let's start on this section right here. Whew. So I just freshly washed my hair, nice and washed. And the way that I do this, okay, so I'm cutting my hair while it's in its curly state. So some people like to cut their hair whenever it's like flat iron, I mean not flat iron, whenever they blow dry it out just so they can get like a precise cut. However, I like to cut mine in a curly state sometimes as well, or let me say I don't mind cutting mine in the curly state. But if you have curly hair, you're able to just like cut your hair like the same amount on each twist that you're gonna be doing it in, and it'll still look good once you like take your hair out. But it's to each his own, but I don't mind cutting my hair whenever it's curly, and I'll be showing you all how I do that in this video. First I'm going to be using is the Mielle Organics Leave-In Conditioner. Oh. And I'm using this leave-in just because I love using this leave-in. It's literally like one of my favorite leave-ins ever. Like, I love just the consistency of it and how it makes my hair feel. So, and it pairs well with a lot of other products, so that's good also. And then as far as my detangling tools, I'm going to be using my Denman and my regular comb, just these 2 babies right here. So I'm doing a twist out as well, and whenever I like to trim my hair, I style my hair as if I'm doing a twist out, and then I go ahead and clip the ends of each individual twist to make sure that I got my entire head. So we're gonna split our hair into one section that we're going to twist, and then clip this on up. Y'all, I'm so professional right now. I have the actual clips that they use at the salon, everything. Alright, whoa. So I'm going to comb my hair on through with my comb, making sure I get it at the root. If you're from the South, you've heard of the root before. As my styler, I'm going to be using the Bell Bar. It's their Argan Oil and Shine Moisture Hair Butter, and it's used for locking in moisture. That's what it looks like. It's very, very thick. Most definitely has shea butter in it. I don't know about this. Maybe because it's like so thick, I'm gonna mix it in with the leave-in conditioner and see if I get a better application this way. Yeah, that feels way better. So I mixed it in with my leave-in conditioner just because of how thick it was. It wasn't really gliding onto my hair like I needed it to. So I just mixed in the leave-in and the butter together. Then I'm just going to twist all the way down. And then twirl it around my finger. Then I'm going to take my pair of scissors and cut about ½ an inch up. So that's about how much I cut off. Not a lot, but just enough. Yeah, that was enough. And then I just go back in and twirl this around my finger again. And yeah. So I'm going to go through the steps one more time, and then I'm just gonna speed it on up. Step 1 is to apply the leave-in, which we already did to the whole section. Then step 2 is to detangle in smaller sections. And then step 3, I'm going to apply the leave-in and the shea butter all in one. Alright y'all, so I finally finished my hair with my trimming. Thank you God, because that was a very long time. So I'm finally done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let these dry, but that is basically how I trim my hair whenever I'm doing it myself. Very simple. And what I like about using this technique is that I trim my hair and I also style my hair. So I get a 2-in-1 basically. So I'm not like taking twice as much of time. I'm basically taking the same amount of time and killing 2 birds with 1 stone, which is what I really do love about this technique. And my twists are looking really juicy. That's what I really like about whenever I get a fresh trim, because their twists start to pop even more. But thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope that I was able to help you a little bit with your trimming. Let me know if I did in the comment section down below. But as always, please like, subscribe, and comment, and also share my videos with whoever you feel like needs them. So thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next video. But I mean, while you're here and while we're have this connection, go ahead and watch the next video. It's right here. I put it right here. Just click, you know, right there. Yeah, right.